Check, check. Oh, sorry about that. Thanks for the heads up, pandas. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Hope everyone's doing amazing. Hope everyone's doing amazing this morning. Good morning. Pandas, 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 pandas. I got broads in Atlanta. Just Dublin and Havana. Could call us gamma. Pandas. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everybody. Thanks for joining. You guys are amazing. Good morning, everyone. Pablo. Good morning. Tath Kumar. What a name. Good morning. Kevin Mack. Good morning. Albert Mo. Good morning. Tate. Welcome, everybody. Thanks for joining. We're ready to rock and roll today, pandas. No matter what, we are ready to rock and roll, and that's all that matters today. Nothing else matters. Doesn't matter how tilted I was yesterday. Doesn't matter how tilted you were yesterday. All that matters right now is today. All that matters is your next trade. Pandas! I just took one scalp here after the huge news event. I mentioned yesterday that there was big news today, and well, there was big news today. Enough to move the market. How many points is that? Just right off the get-go. 100 points right off the get-go. Goodness gracious. You gotta love it. Band. No clue what's happening here. We are just kind of crawling upwards. The 5-minute is surprisingly close to the 240 SMA where we bounced off before. Like the 240 SMA on the 5-minute chart is just it's gold right now. And we're pretty much there again. Whoa. What are all these lines doing here? Excuse me, please. Please remove yourselves. And we got close to it. We didn't quite touch it, but we got close. Let's wait for some price action. Let's wait for some things to develop here. Daily chart. Kind of gapping down here. I don't know what this is about. I'm not sure what this is about here. Please. Allow me to click this. What in the world? Weekly chart. What's my EMINI look like? EMINI basically closed where it opened yesterday. Sick. But nice move at the end of the day. It's a scrambled eggs. Pandas, let's just hang out for a little bit. Luis, good morning. Welcome to the stream. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's see. I was trying to modify this. I think it's enough.
2,500 tick trap.
Yeah, I think that's good. That's good. Perfect. That's so perfect. I mean, scrambled eggs, pan. Sit on your paws. Just means scrambled eggs here. Complete trading range. I mean, you can be cheeky and go short here at the bottom. In my opinion. I'm not sure if I'll go short at the top, but I'll go short at the bottom. 20 EMA. I mean,
2,500 tick trap.
if you think it's going to fill the gap, I don't think you're alone here. If you think it's going to fill the gap, I don't think you're alone here at all. It's ridiculous. If you think it's going to fill the gap, I do not think you're alone here. Quickest gap fill in history. What in the world? Quickest gap fill in history. Jeez. Talk about scrambled eggs. My brain is scrambled eggs. What in the world? I thought yesterday's price action became scrambled eggs. Goodness gracious. High or low? Do I like it? You can build a position here, I think. I think you can start scaling up. Ooh, I'll join. I'll join. I'll join. I'll join. I'm going to start a position here and try to fill that gap. We're going to start a position here and try to fill that gap. Wide stop. Doesn't really matter. It's, TPT. No rules, right? No consistency rules when it comes to TPT. You can do whatever you want. Huge gaps. You can scalp one tick. Doesn't matter. We're scaling up here. We're building up a position. We're building up just a small position to get to that gap fill here. Lots of overlapping bars. Getting more and more sus as time goes on, which is not what you want, right? That's not what you want. You don't want more susness. You want more clarity. But this is becoming more and more sus, which is not a good thing. All right, getting a little more clarity here. Let's see. See if we can move up. Strong bull bars on the 2500 tick chart. We're just in 2 contracts. Nothing too huge here. Not yet. We got basically 6 overlapping bars now in a row. I mean, if you want me to scale up again, I'll do it. I'll do it. If you want me to keep scaling up, I'll do it. Jeez Louise. It's trickling, though. You got like 5 bajillion overlapping bars in a row. This is not for the weak-minded. Right? Scaling up is not for the weak-minded. I'll tell you that much. It is only for the strong-minded. If you can't handle this, don't do it. But if you have a strong mind like me, feel free to. If you have a really strong and dumb mind like mine, then feel free to keep scaling up here. When you got clearly 5 bajillion overlapping bars in a row here. All right, one more scale in. I mean, we are just building a position here. Goodness gracious, what's going on? Come up break even maybe at this point because you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 overlapping bars in a row. Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. Oh, that's not good. Maybe touch the 20 EMA here. Maybe I'll buy at the 20 EMA. Coming off our trend line and 20 EMA. Otherwise, we can just keep scaling up as we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 overlapping bars in a row. How insane is this right now? How insane is this price action right now? We're in. The moment it triggers, it reverses. You gotta love that. Pandas, you gotta absolutely love, you gotta adore that. You gotta adore this price action at the moment. What in the world is happening? You gotta absolutely adore this price action at the moment. You gotta adore it. We're just building up a position. I mean, 5 contracts, 6 contracts, 7 contracts. Whatever's happening, we're doing it. Coming off our trend line now. We're still above the 20 May, which is why I still feel safe about this. We're still above the 20 May. Okay, we're in another contract. Still, wow. Still haven't done anything though. We're just going back and forth, back and forth. I don't know.
Target bill.
I don't know, Pandas. That's a lot of overlapping bars.
25.
And I don't like the spike up with no follow through. I certainly don't like the spike up with no follow through. Oh, is it gonna blast off now after I got out of my position? Yeah, you would. You would, you dirty little market. Jeez, what in the world? You dirty little market. You would blast off now that I'm out of my position. I mean, this is a lot of overlapping bars, pandas. I'm going to sit in my pause just a little bit. Let's calm down, pandas. Let's just calm down just a little bit. You know what I mean? Let's just calm down a little bit right here, pandas. That's a lot of overlapping bars. You got to reckon it. You got to reckon it. You got to recognize this is starting to become more 50-50 than you realize. Okay, we're pushing down. I'm glad I got in my position. Jeez Louise, what in the world was that nonsense? I didn't like to spike up with no follow through. That was a main issue. That was a main issue right there.
2,500 tick track.
Wow. I mean, strong high or low, something like that. I'll take it. I don't think we're going to get no high or low. I just got to jump in. Oh, I got to just... All right, we'll wait for a setup now. Jeez, look at that. Just sweep. Taking out all the stop losses. Taking out all the stop losses here and just reversing on a dime. I'll try a 4. Ooh, that's kind of bullish or bearish. A little more bearish than I would like. Right, coming back into our trading range. If that was clear as day, we were gonna pop up. Now it's clear as mud. Now it's clear as mud. Good signal bar coming up to 20 MA here. Ah. This is not for the weak-hearted, I'll tell you that much. This is not for the weak-hearted, I'll tell you that much. Today's price action is not for the weak-hearted. Look at how many overlapping bars we have. Overlappy bars. Second entry long. What? But in the middle of the trading range? What are we doing here, pandas? What are we actually doing here? I hate it. I hate it, but we'll try. I absolutely hate this. We're going to try anyways here. I absolutely hate this, but we're going to try. Second entry long, just another push up to fill the gap. And we are continuing our trading range with the super strong bull bar gets folded. I mean, I gotta attempt. I gotta attempt this move up. I mean, we got this here. Oh geez, I'm dead. Oh geez, I'm dead. I am dead. Jeez. What kind of raunchy price action is this? What are we witnessing here, pandas? What are we actually witnessing here right now? It's so filthy. So filthy. Goodness gracious. Talk about filth. Alright, fair enough. Talk about filth. That is filthy. So filthy. I still have no clue. I still have no clue. I mean, something about this price. Something about this price is just weird. The market just loving this price right now. Just absolutely loving this price. It's insane. The market's loving this price right now. Wow. What in the world? Goodness gracious. I mean, I'm sitting in my paws. Forget it. I mean, I risked like 13 points in that last trade. Stupid trading range. I mean, if we do it now, we do it now, no? We just let it go? There's not much I can do about it. or we lean into our mistakes. We lean into our mistakes. Lean right into them super hard. Okay, we got the Globex close. Let's fill the gap on the regular trading hours. Would be great. Whoa, look at that gap. What a gap. That's an insane gap. I'm pretty sure I'm dead here. That gap is quite large. Quite large. We're dead again. Of course. I mean, we filled the Globex gap, but the 5-minute gap is still wanting here. I'm not sure if we're going to actually get it. The first 15-minute bar is a very strong bullish bar. But the price action shenanigans right now. Lots of retracements. Like the 2500 tick chart, you can see how many retracements we had. On this move up, tons of retracements. We're down 1,000. It's not the worst. It's not the worst case scenario, but it's not a good case scenario. Not the best case scenario. I'll tell you that much. I think I need to adapt to the price action right now. It's very choppy. Lots of overlapping bars. I think I need to adapt to it. I got to trade smaller with limit orders here. This is just insane. It's absolutely wild. It's actually insane. This price action is absolutely insane right now. I don't know. We're sticking to it though. We're absolutely sticking to it. Okay, back bottom to the top. Bottom to the top. Oh, we feel it now. We feel it now, but look at how many retracements we had. Are we going to get a retracement again, or are we going to actually break out now? No clue. Too hard to tell. The current price action is telling me we're going to come back down. Wowzers. I have no clue what's happening here. If it fills a gap, it fills a gap. I mean, it's just wacky right now. Whack attack. We're getting whacked attack. Getting whacked attack right now. No clue. I'll tell you what. It's time. It's time. It's time, pandas. To put your money where your mouth is. Oh, it's time. Oh, it's time to get tricky. Absolutely disgusting price action. You gotta love it. It's gonna crash. Oh, it's gonna crash. We're dead. We're not gonna get it. We're actually not gonna get our setups. We're not gonna fill the gap. This is absolutely just naughty. Naughty price action right now. We're gonna go in one more. Lean into your mistakes here. If we don't get it here, pandas, we're dead. I mean, we are almost like, we are 12 contracts in. It's absolutely insane. I have no clue. I have no clue, but this looks like it wants to fill the gap. It certainly looks like it wants to fill the gap, but this is just grinding at the top of this channel here. And I don't know if it has enough conviction to get there without taking my stop out first. I am just uncertain about this trade, which is so terrible because we are just points away from filling the gap, and we are reversing now. I think we're dead. Like, we couldn't get it there. I think we're dead. We're going to come back, retrace, deep retracement, then pop back up. That's what it feels like is going to happen here. That's what it certainly feels like is going to happen here. Strong bull bars, 5-minute chart. I don't think we're going to get it. We're gonna get killed. We're gonna get clobbered. I mean, I might as well. I might as well. I might as well. I might as well. We're going for it, pandas. We got 4 bull bars in a row on the 5-minute chart. Can we get the gap fill? Is it possible? That's a good sign for us. That's a real good sign for us. We're coming out break even now. Pandas! Oh! We're so close. We're so darn close. We're so darn close to filling the gap. Wow, this is so painful. Extremely painful. We get out most of our position. Can we get out of our entire position, please? Wow, we finally do it. Jeez, that was painful. Like, we were talking about pure shenanigans today. That was brutal, pandas. That was absolutely brutal today. Jeez Louise. Pandas! We're getting a runner here. We're getting a nice runner here now. I don't know. Let's see how high we can run. We'll just swing trade this. Yeah? Free money here. Quote unquote free money. We'll swing trade it here. We'll swing trade this. This has potential to really move. Why not? This has potential to make new all-time highs. Why not? Why not us? One time, pandas. One time. We're just going to let it ride. Strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart might be always in long. I mean, we can hit the top of a trading range. Like, we can hit the top of this trading range, pandas. Truly, like, what will stop us? We get the top of this trading range. Like, what's going to stop it? At this point, what's going to stop me? Like, why would I exit this trade? Let's just let it run. Let's let it run, pandas. Let it run. Especially with a strong bull bar. With a strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart, we have amazing potential to be always in long and get to the top of this trading range. We have amazing potential to do it. Like, insane potential to get to it. Top of the trading range is our first target. Not our first target, our first runner target. Why not us? Why not us, pandas? Just why not us? I want the 5-minute to finish. I want to see the first 5-minute candle. I want this first 5-minute candle to finish. And I want to see if there's any follow through. That's the main thing I want right now. We're getting a retrace. Whoa! Wow. This market's full of surprises. Let's just say that. This market, full of surprises. What in the world was that move? What in the world was that move? I mean, the 5-minute candle was printing.
500 tick trap.
Whoa! What is? I gotta reload. I'm not sure what's happening. Like, we're behind. What in the world did I just witness? That was crazy. Wait, we didn't even have news. It just went crazy. That was scary stuff, pandas. That was truly scary stuff. Like, that's making today feel very, very strange. I'm not sure if you saw what I saw, but that was insane. That was absolutely just insane. It just went wham. Took me out. All right, I think we're good now. Failed second entry long. I mean, with a move like that, fail second entry long is definitely in order here. With a reversal like that, with follow through, fail second entry long is in order here. Whoa, we can't even catch it. We can't even jump in. Can't even jump in right now. Big, big bars here. I mean, it's far away from a 20 MA. It is far away from a 20 MA. That was insane. That was actually a little bit insane, pandas. This is a dirty trade here. I don't know if I like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's a good signal bar, but it's far away from 20 MA. It's far away from 20 MA. It can really push down, but I mean, it's far away from 20 MA. I'm just gonna skip it. I have no reason to really risk. I mean, we're up 690. We were up like $2,000. In one fell swoop, literally in like a split second, we lost all our profits on that trade. That was insane. Woo-wee. I mean, the 5 minute was looking promising. It was like a really strong bull bar, and it went wham. What in the world? That was sickening. This market is up to no good today. This market's up to no good. What kind of shenanigans? Double top? Is that what that was? Simple double top here. 2500 tick chart. Just coming back up here. 2500 tick chart still looks semi-bullish. Still above the 20 MA. Nice signal bar to go long. This looks very tricky to me. Very tricky. That was wild. That was a bit loco. A little bit loco, pandas. Living la vida loca. You know what I mean? I regret nothing. I regret nothing. That was just unforeseeable. I guess the double top, I should have recognized it. We literally made like the most perfect double top and just rejected off of it. So strong. You're thinking probably more to go down. I think probably more room to go down. The one thing that's stopping me right now is the 2500 tick chart. It's still above the 20 MA. Still above the 20 MA. In fact, it's a nice first entry to go long. We don't even get a second entry short here. We're on our first entry still on this massive move down. We have a first entry setting up here. A second entry short could be very tempting if we get it, but I don't know if okay, we get it. It's very tempting in my opinion here. Give me a good signal bar and I would definitely go short here. The good signal bar right now, right? We broke trend new high on this small uptrend on a potential reversal. Potential reversal. Potential. We're above the 20 MA. I do not like that. We're clearly above the 20 MA and I cannot go short here. I cannot go short here being clearly above the 20 MA. I can go short here seeing how small the risk is though. I cannot go short here anymore because the risk got bigger. But this looks like it wants one more leg down. Second entry short, but above the 20 MA. Unfortunately, can't take it. If this flushes, right, basically creating like this massive double top right here, then I cannot partake. We're above the 20 MA. How unfortunate, pandas. How unfortunate for us if it does flush. It's just how things go. It's just how things go, you know, sometimes. I'm glad I didn't take it because you lose that trade with a fail second entry short. And that is why you do not take shorts above the 20 MA. That is the exact reason why. The market's showing some pretty strong bullishness. 2500 tick chart especially showing some strong bullishness. If we get second entry long coming off our trend line and 20 MA on 2500 tick chart, that could be credence to go long, but I am still worried about this double top here. Jeez. Jeez. What a spike down. It just comes right back up, kind of, almost. It does spike down. I mean, we get some fall through, but it just comes right back up. Sitting on my paws. That was just silly. Just a silly turn of events, you know what I mean? Another push up. Another push up. Wow. What interesting price action we have here. Either we're bullish again or returning to a trading range, in my opinion. Even though we printed a bear bar on the 5-minute chart, no follow through. The very next bar is a bull bar. It's a bit confusing to me. And that's also another reason why we come out break even on our trades when our runners come, because it will prevent things like this. That was wild. It's actually crazy. I love it, though. I love it. Trading always keeps you on your toes. Always keeps you on your toes. Your tippity toes. Second entry long, pandas. 2,500 tick. Will it give it to me? Coming off our trend line and 20 May. Like, this is the main thing why this will be difficult to take is because we just had a severe rejection off this pivot high before we even touched it. Severe rejection. It might be one of those. It might be one of those trades I'll take, and then I'll reverse it. If it does reverse on me, and then it's probably gonna do a double reversal, take me on both sides. It's probably one of those trades. That's what I'm thinking. It's like no matter what you lose here type situation. Okay, second entry long doesn't trigger though. The second pullback doesn't trigger yet. We're still waiting for the second pullback on a 2,500 tick chart. We might not get it. We simply might not get it. Having a tough time getting there. Having a real tough time getting there. What in the world is happening? Burners! Make sure you scalp that like button. We are trading TPT accounts. We're basically at a point where any profits I make right now at this point is money I can withdraw, have myself a nice weekend. You know what I mean, pandas? Have nice bamboo for the weekend. You know what I mean? I've already pulled out, what, 6K already this week with TPT. Shenanigans. You know shenanigans are going to happen when you saw price action like this for first like 30 minutes of trade. First 15 minutes of trade. Look at OII pattern maybe forming here. But it's very, very choppy. Market's kind of loving the previous day's close right now. It's kind of loving it. We're not getting our second pullback here, pandas. It's having a hard time creating a second. Okay. We still haven't created a second pullback on the 2,500 tick chart. Sick. There we go. All right. We got ourselves here a interesting setup. We may be able to take this trade here. The main issue with this trade is the rejection of this pivot high, making a double top, a lower high double top. It Otherwise, this is a very nice looking trade to go long. Especially if the risk isn't too large. Let's see how big the risk may be here. Not too large. Not the worst case scenario. Okay. Be patient. We're being very patient here, pandas. This is probably the most patient you've ever seen me. I mean, I do not like the 500 tick chart. It is looking messy. It is looking very messy. 500 tick chart is very messy, very confusing, actually. All right, thoughts and prayers. I mean, this should be a good trade. The risk
2,500
is what I like most about this trade. It's very small risk, actually, on a decent looking setup. Risk will expand as we make new lows here. I will have to try this trade. There's a lot of red flags here. Doji bar is a signal bar. Yeah, I mean, double top obviously here. There's a couple red flags on this trade. I love the risk. Very small risk for a 2,500 tick chart for a double key area trade. It's a good risk. Good risk reward in my opinion. Potential big move up here. I'll attempt this.
5-minute trap.
And I'll be happy with it. I think I'll attempt it and I'll be happy with whatever happens here. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. And I know the amount of risk I need to take is not much. I'm willing to try. For potential very nice setup here. Alright. Quickly get killed. Quickly get killed. Like I said, lots of red flags on that trade. Would I have taken the reversal? We're above the 20 minute. I cannot take it. It's very sus right now. We have 1 bajillion overlapping bars in a row here. One single bar, it does a double reversal. Fortunate, I don't think I'm gonna take it here. The only other long I'll take now is a 5-minute fail second entry short. It's a trade I'll take. This would be the other trade I'll take. Waiting for it. Unfortunate. It makes an outside bar, right? It makes like 3 reversals in 1 bar here. It's complete shenanigans. Look at the smaller time frame. It's making this insane expanding pattern here. Like, to be honest, I was sitting my pause here. It's very, very choppy. So sick. I'm sitting my pause now. I took my chance. I shot my shot. But this might be a day where it's better off to stop trading at this point because this is no bueno. You do not want to see this kind of price action when you're trading. This is disgusting. Lots of overlapping bars. Lots of confusion.
2,500 tick trap.
Big bear bar ending on its low. Still don't know if it's going to push down. That's how confusing this is. I still don't know if this big bear bar is credence to keep going short here. I have no clue. That's how confusing it is. Confusing days, big bear bars don't mean anything. It just means more opportunity to reverse. Just like what you're seeing here. Right? No follow through on a strong bear bar. It just reverses. YL says, I checked the stream a few times. You were like up 700, down 1K, then up 1K, then down. It's actually very true. I was up like $2,000 at one point. Tessa, your stream's a bit delayed. Watching 2x speed. You should have virtually no delay. Maybe 3-second delay max. If your delay is more than 3 seconds, watching 2x speed, so it catches up. It catches up even more. Yeah, it's complete chop. My P&L is just reflective of the current price action, just completely choppy. This fail signature short does not look pretty anymore because we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 overlapping bars in a row. But you know your boy's gonna do it anyways. You know your panda's gonna do it anyways. I'll take it with. 4 is a little too much. 4 contracts a little too much here. Take it with 2. Jeez. Big bear bar ending on low. Big bull bar ending on high. Just folded. Everything gets folded here. Folded after folded. Honestly, the market's just loving the previous day's close. I should be taking limit order trades. What am I doing? Am I out of my mind right now? Isn't the market just screaming, just take limit orders all day today? Is that not the case? Is that not the case, pandas? Is the market telling me to take limit orders? Is that not what it's telling me to do? Wow, 15 point candles on the 500 tick chart. It's actually pretty nice. It's not, yeah, jeez. Is the market not telling me just to take limit order trades all day today? We're kind of like rejecting off this trend line though. I don't know. I don't know what's happening here, pandas. Massive confusion in my opinion. You know what? I'm going to keep going back up to the previous day's close. That's what I will do. Or keep coming back to the 20 EMA maybe. Might be one of those days just keep coming back to the 20 EMA. Rejection off the top of that trading range. Sorry, of the top of the trend line. Top of the channel. You gotta have some true cojones just to go long here. You have to have some massive cojones just to go long right here. It has a massive cojones just to go long right here. Limit orders are king right now. The 5 minute was actually just a limit order trade coming at the bottom of the previous candle's low. I cannot take a breakout here. This market is telling me not to trade breakouts. It's telling me basically take trades, come back to the previous day's close. That's what it's telling me right now.
Tick trap.
It's telling me to come back to the previous day's close. That's all it wants to do today. So sick. So sick. So sick. Can't beat them, join them, right? When you get shenanigans like this, you know something's up. You know you gotta change your style. Like I said, we're loving the previous day's close. We're absolutely adoring the previous day's close, and we're gonna get to it again. I tried to get in that trade, but I could not. But this trend line, like I'm just in case I have this trend line here, like this could be a strong trend line. I don't know. Okay, we touched the previous day's close. We're loving this level. That's why I said I know I can't go short here. It's all about limit order trading. I should technically be going short here for my next limit order. Really insane. This day might be chopped. This day might be chopped. This day might be chopped. Feels like I just short, but it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense to take. YL, drop me some wisdom today. He's usually kind of a silly kid, but not kid, but a silly boy. He's usually a silly lad. Kind of serious today. Something happened? YL, you feeling all right? Super serious, super silly. Just mix it up. It's because Bubstock's not here. I got you. Feels like I just short. I can't take it. I simply cannot take any breakout trades right now because we are so choppy. So insanely choppy. I cannot take any breakout trades at the moment. If it breaks out, it breaks out. I will miss the breakout. I'll tell you that right now. I will miss the breakout. It's almost impossible to time in choppy markets like this. So I'll tell you right now, I will miss the breakout. I'm not looking to find the breakout. Maybe I'll join in the breakout after it breaks out, but I will not look for breakouts here. Not today. Not right now, at least. It's way too choppy. Way too crazy. If anything, I'll look to reverse breakouts. We're down 400. It's nothing. It's really nothing. It's one trade. I'm happier that I'm being patient here. That's the win. Little pop up there. I guess this is breaking out. But it was just impossible at the time. I was not going to risk it here just because of what we've seen before. Because of this. Because of this. Like, so many times, if I taken that trap here, it would have failed reverse so hard on me. So many times we have done that. So much shenanigans going on. It's very difficult. Insanely difficult to trade this, in my opinion. Insanely difficult to go. It's gonna be insanely difficult to find your timing too. A lot of these trades. It's a good trade. I mean, it's a 20-point trade. Not too bad. Not too shabby. It says, could I take a bottom of the range? Yeah, I tried. If you rewind it, I had a trade right here. I had a limit order down here. If you remember, I had it originally here, but I was a little bit scared, so I lowered it here. Try to get the absolute best value. About high or low. Doesn't go very far, but let's see. I just see pure shenanigans. I don't know. Like we made a quite a strong push up. We're just back to the top of these pivots here. With all of this choppy price action, I'm just unsure. That's the thing. Like I'm uncertain. Some trades, I'm like, yeah, obviously we're gonna do this. But some trades, I'm like, I have no clue. That's how I feel right now. No clue. Still confused. Insanely confused. I think I'm just sitting on my paws here for a while. I mean, I just wouldn't be surprised if it comes right back down. That's why. Everything about today just tells me like we're just keep coming back to the previous day's close. Previous day's close. Second entry long. Could attempt this. Honestly, I'd rather go short here to come back to the previous day's close. We got some capital to work with. Let's go with 2. And it's gone. Micro double bottom. Is that more reason to go long or less reason to go long? Today, I have no clue. Second entry long does trigger. Coming off our trend line. Oh, I couldn't move my. I don't know why I couldn't move my. I couldn't move my order. I couldn't move my order, pandas. It just like it wasn't moving. I was just trying to get that little teeny weeny scalp there, and now I'm dead. It wouldn't allow me to move my order. I was trying to get to it. It was just too slow. My goodness! Now I'm 1,000 in the hole because I couldn't move my order that teeny bit. I couldn't move it. Pandas. I hate this market. I hate this market. I just wanted that little teeny scalp, and I couldn't move my order. Accounts are gonna die. Yeah, I got 2,000 left. So annoying. Like, I wanted just that little teeny scalp, couple points, but I couldn't move my order fast enough, and it just launched off of it reversed. Now I'm tilted out of my mind. How annoying is that, pandas? How annoying is that? Whatever. How annoying is that, pandas? I mean, I couldn't move my order. You guys saw me. I had it clicked and it just like wouldn't move. I just tried to get it to come up. Couldn't do it. I think I have to consider that next time. Even though I see like a very good like obvious trade, like very teeny scalp, like almost free money trade here. Like I gotta realize sometimes I can't move my order fast enough to get the fill. Just wasn't moving. Just was not moving. Still very choppy. I don't know. I mean, it looks like it's going higher, but super choppy. It's super choppy manner. Right, the 5 minute, every other bar is changing colors. It's alternating between bull, bear, bull, bear. 25-hour tick chart looks kind of bullish to me. It's still clearly above the 20 MA. Because of that dumb, I guess dumb lag, I guess. I don't know. Was not able. I'm down 2K now. It's all good. It's not, I don't really think today's the day that's really, you're going to really make that much money. So much chop. What can you do though? No reason to cry over spilled milk, but we'll try one more time. Big trade. One last big trade here. And if I'm dead, I'm dead. Oh! Every day though, so choppy. Like today is it's particularly choppy. Like this is a lot of overlapping bars, pandas. Lots of retracements. Difficult time breaking the top of this trading range up here. I just don't know. I honestly like don't like trading days like today. Like if I'm gonna trade days like today, I'm better off trading with micros. Just wide stops. You know, if you lose, but if you win, you can get some decent bamboo.
Five-minute trap.
The 5 minutes not looking pretty. It's just too many overlapping bars. I don't know. I don't know what to make of this. We're popping off now. Or are the Bears ready to reload here where they obviously showed conviction here? Are they reloading for the second move down? Breaking through it. So frustrating. Just wanted this little teeny scalp, but I couldn't do it fast enough. It was too many contracts, actually. Okay, kind of breaking out now. Do I love it? I guess this is when you start to look for long trades. But on a day like today, who knows? Truly, on a day like today, who knows? Go higher and higher and higher. Hooey! On a day like today, who knows? Truly breaking out here. If we have a channel, we're at the top of the channel. Has the market cycle changed? Did it change on us? Is this different? Did we break out of the market cycle we were in earlier for the first hour? Are we in a different market cycle now? That is a question. The answer is most likely no, but every candle will tell us more. Okay. Maybe second entry long might be enticing here if we come off some sort of support. But taking this fail second entry short here in midair is not enticing at all. Not for me, at least. Maybe the old panda might have liked this trade. But the new panda, no likey. Of course, more shenanigans. Super strong bull bar ending on its high on the 5-minute chart. You expect always in long, but of course you get this instead. Strong reversal back down. To a key area. Let's see. Maybe I'm game here. The decent signal bar, but I like it actually if it touched both. The 20 EMA and, actually, decent signal bar. Small signal bar too. Small risk, which means small risk, right, Pandas?
2,500 tick trap.
I think we missed the move. Yeah, think we definitely missed the move. It's all good. I had some reservations on that trade. Second entry long been better, and I would like if it actually touched 2 key areas.
2,500 tick trap.
Not just one. Right, we just touched the 20 EMA here. I love the small risk on that trade. I love the good signal bar. I love the bounce. I love it's with trend. Those are all the things I love about it. Second entry long, I think I'll be interested here, but I feel like it won't come. It won't give it to us. Could be wrong. Second entry long, maybe forming here. Spoke too soon. Spoke too soon. Man, I wish I actually touched some key area, but it's floating in midair. I'm going to attempt this here. Silly trade floating in midair, Bob. I'm going to attempt it. I think it has enough potential here for really good risk reward. We're in this trade. All right, we're in it. Our fate is sealed. Our fate is sealed here. Our fate is sealed, but I'm not sure what's happening. Our fate is truly sealed here. Yeah, shenanigans. Not sure. Shenanigans today. All shenanigans, all day, every day. Shenanigans all day, every day. I'm not feeling too good about it anymore. We're trying though. We're gonna hold. I would say at least for a 1-to-1, we have to hold this. Otherwise, this trade is completely worthless. Looking for a 1-to-1 here. Hopefully, the 5-minute can give us some always in long trading, but we'll see. It's looking sus. Extremely sus. I think we're dead here. It's okay. It'll be the last trade of the stream if we die. If we die, we die. If he dies, he dies. Okay, decent move up. Looking for a 1-to-1 at the minimum here. New high created. I like the 1-to-1 though. Okay, I think I'm going to extend this because we got 2 strong bull bars on the 5-minute chart. Looking for always in long trading. 5-minute. 5-minute, give me some always in long trading, please. 5-minute, give me some always in long trading, please. One time. Gives me the 1-to-1. I'll take it on the first reversal. I'll take on the first reversal. It's a darn shame, pandas. Darn shame. We don't get that always in long, beautiful, always in long breakout trading. We don't get it today. What a surprise. Whoopie-doo. What a surprise. We don't get the beautiful, always in long trading after 2 strong bull bars ending on their highs. Unfortunate we don't get that beautiful always in long trading. We never do anymore. What is the point of this? Truly, what's the point of this? I mean, I saw a strong bull bar. You gotta let it cook, especially with the 5 minute bar looking like that. You're thinking this is gonna keep launching up, but we just don't. We just it doesn't happen anymore. It's just so hard for it to happen. Come on, break it. We're down 850. It's fine. It's nothing. 850 is nothing here. It's so frustrating though. I just want some nice always in long trading. Higher low here. Maybe another second entry long, but I don't know if I like it. Like you just want. This is the marquee of terrible price action. Super strong bull bar just gets folded. Super strong bull bar just gets folded. So dumb. Second entry long. Do I like it? I don't love it. It is coming up to 20 minutes. I do not love this trade. In fact, I don't know if I even like this trade. We're going for it anyways, whatever. Today's just not one of the days where you're going to just keep getting moves up. That's the thing. It's going to be a lot of retracements. You can tell because the always in long trading is not triggered here. I tried to time it, but my timing was off, and it actually doesn't trigger my entry. My timing was off. I tried to time it at the end of this bar. I was off by a few seconds, and I actually don't get the second entry long here. I'm hoping there's a little bit more. There's a little bit of sense in the market. I'm hoping there's a little bit of sense in the market, just a little bit of sense. But who knows? So frustrating. Yeah. Like I said, I don't know if I even liked the setup. Definitely didn't love it. I don't know if I even liked it. I don't know if it's worth holding either. It could be a big hold. That's the problem. It could be a big hold. That's the main issue. I feel like I have to try this. I don't do this often. But today, I feel like it has to be done. It has to be attempted here. I don't do this often. I don't scale in like this, especially when I'm already 4 contracts. I feel like today, I feel like this trade has to be done.
Target filled.
It's so dumb. So dumb it had to take me out break even here. So stupid, but it did. So stupid, but it did. We're gonna run this. We're gonna run this to the freaking heavens right now. What was annoying about that was I actually tried to get in another position, but I couldn't get into it. It didn't allow me to. It blew right through my order. Whoo! You won, nice trade, Panda. Appreciate it. So dumb. So stupid.
2,500 tick trap.
stupid. Stupid PA. PA is so stupid, Pandas. I'm sorry. It's infuriating. So infuriating, this PA. Feels like I got you long. I don't know. I'm not gonna look for a reversal here. It's so random. It's what dreams are made of in terms of reversal setup, aesthetically how it looks like. It's what dreams are made of. It's a perfect setup to go short. Is the context good? Not really. But that is the most beautiful trap like you can imagine, really. It's amazing signal bar. I'm just waiting for this trap to fail. And I'll continue to go long. If the trap works, so be it. But I am waiting for it to fail. Okay. Decent move down. Could be a good trap. I don't know. I don't like taking traps just after a strong uptrend. Like, I need to bounce off something. I need a double top. I need something. Without anything like that, it's hard for me just to take the trap straight up like this. Obviously, it can work out, and it could be a very nice trade, but it's not for me. I'm down $25, Pandas. This is what kind of day it is. Donald said every day has been total whipsaw slop chop fest. Yeah, exactly. It's been like that all summer. Ever since tariff news. Ever since tariffs, it's just really been like this, in my opinion. All right. I mean, it ends up being a decent reversal. I mean, that's great trade. Amazing risk reward in that trade. Your risks are very small to get that much. I mean, it's pretty good. Maybe I should just taking it purely off the aesthetic of the trade, but I just if you don't bounce off any type of resistance or a double top or anything like that, it's just hard for me to just go straight up on the first reversal like this. Obviously, it ends up working nicely though. Are we gonna come back to the previous day's close? Making a beeline to it. So dumb. But so be it. I mean, if we do, we do. Wowzers. Just incredible. It's a testament of how choppy we're going to be today. We're coming to the previous day's close. Basically what we're doing here. We're already on it on the regular trading hours. Do I want to look for a long trade or a short trade? I have no clue. Big up, big down. Big up. Maybe the big down's not done yet. Who knows? Nobody knows. This does feel like an undershoot. Might lead to an overshoot. All things considered, not we're not doing too shabby here. All things considered, not too shabby. You know what I mean? All things considered. All things considered, not too shabby. Second entry short. Impulsive move to the downside. Hmm. Second entry short, you say? I can't. I can't do it. I can't do it. I just can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it, Brandon. I can't do it. That's a bar reversal. That's a bar reversal essentially fails, I guess. Oh. Thanks for the sub. Make sure you slap that like button. Pandas, don't forget 40% off TPT using code BBM. Take advantage of it. And the best part is there's no activation fee. And you get refunded your eval fee if you get a payout without resetting your accounts. Pretty sick. It's the best deal on prop firms ever, I think. Ever. Because you have the potential to basically get a free account. Like, you don't pay activation fee, you don't pay anything. So it's like, it's the greatest deal ever to exist in prop firm history, in my opinion. No clue what's happening here. Completely overlapping bars. I might as well just short it up here. Limit order or something. For being just diabolical at this point. It's the second extra short though, but 5 overlapping bars in a row. No, thank you. Undershoot. Maybe it leans to overshoot. We're just sitting on our pause here. No clue. Nine out of 10 times you lose this trade. Actually, it works out this one time, and it's nice. You know, more than 10 times the profit you typically would make, or the profit you make is like 10 times as much as a loss you would take, typically. Very good push down. I don't know. Balancing out the 20 EMA. It's undershoot to the overshoot. I don't know. Dumbest price action ever. It's intolerable. Like I said, I might as well just go limit order short here. Probably your best trade. OI pattern on the 5-minute chart. Surprising, actually. Bye bye. Big push down here. Ensuing. Absolute trash. Lower high, but too choppy for me to feel like I love this trade. The only reason why I'm still streaming is because the market's actually moving still. We're actually getting good swings here. Big moves up, big moves down. Like the swings actually are not too shabby. I actually like them. Look at this. Look at these dojis on the 2500 tick chart. Crazy. Psychopathic trading here. That's what we call this PA. Psychopathic. You have to be a psychopath to trade like the price action how it's going. If you can like trade like it, then you're a true psychopath. You guys ever hear about the psychopath test? Second to short. Let's just go with trend here. Lower highs, lower lows. Jeez, sorry. It's looking kind of bearish to me now. What in the world? Creating like a base beneath the 20 MA. Going back and forth. Creating basically like a bear flag type situation, the higher time frames. You guys hear about the psychopath test? Alright, here it is. The psychopath test. If you can solve this riddle, or if you can solve this, I guess it's a riddle, then you are most likely a psychopath. The riddle is there was this lady who is at the funeral, her mom's funeral. And during the funeral, she meets the man of her dreams. She meets the man of her dreams. But in the heat of things, during the funeral, she doesn't get any contact information from the guy. A week later, her sister dies. Why? And if you can answer this question, you are a true psychopath. I mean, I'm thinking we're gonna... Is anything to stop us from touching this? Is anything gonna stop us from retesting the previous day's close here? They're Americans and they are obese and they died of a heart attack. You are actually insane. That is the right answer. I don't know how you got that. Oh my goodness. If I tell you the answer, you guys can get chills. I find that girls get the answer, are able to answer this more than guys. The reason why her sister dies is because the lady killed her in order to have another funeral so she can meet this guy again. Isn't that insane? Did you not just get chills? I got chills just... I already knew the answer. I got chills saying it out loud. Goodness gracious. Like, now you guys know why it's called the psychopath test. Because only a psychopath would even think like that. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. Now ask your friends without even telling them it's a psychopath test, and just see who gets it right, and then you know like who to like unfollow and who to block and stuff. Or maybe you should ask that question if you're like on a dating app. The first question you ask, you don't even ask them their name. That's the first question you ask is just a riddle. Mrs. Panda did not get it actually. I know some people who got the answer right, and I'm like, all right, that makes sense. They are a little bit psychopathic. Isn't that creepy, Pandas? Frosty says the sister was already in a relationship with him, and the other sis killed her sis for him. I don't know if you didn't hear the answer. I already said the answer. Oh, maybe you're on a delay. Frosty, I think you should fast forward it, watch 2x speed, because you are on a major delay. I already said the answer. But not too shabby. Second too short. Second too short, we touched the previous day's close. In fact, we do not yet. Very close, though. Very stinking close to touching it, but we don't touch it yet. I'm sitting on my paws. I have no idea what's happening here. We still don't touch it. We still haven't touched it. Yeah, we touch it. It's a hidden second just short. I usually don't take these, but that's what it is. I mean, I'm leaning towards bearish because we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bear bars in a row. It's the most of any bar we had in a row. Leaning slightly towards bearishness now. We did bounce off perfectly off the previous day's close here, so whatever that means. Maybe we found a support here. Who knows? Big up, big down. Could be big up again. I've seen it time and time and time and time and time and time again. Tate says he feels like it's like a looper situation. Cool. I'm just watching. I don't know if I like anything here. You know your panda's gonna take a fail second just short here though. Like his life depends on it. I don't know. I'm leaning a little towards bearish too. This is tough. Okay. 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 Second just short. Maybe looking for a new low. Wouldn't be surprising to be honest. Pretty strong follow through. It's an outside bar reversal, so I don't like it. Okay, it's a hidden trap here. Very cool. I'm not gonna take a hidden trap though. NT daily chart shows PDC at 946.5. I don't know what that means. What's PDC? Previous day's close. Oh, okay, I got it. You go to 946.5. I'm not sure where you're getting that
2500
number
tick trap.
from, but I don't think that's accurate. Uh, uh, uh. All right.
$2,500 tick trap. Target filled.
Whoo! Easy capeasy. Alright, potential monster runner here. Potential monsters here. Potential monsters here, Panis. Potential monsters, not actual monsters. Potential ones. OHLC, prior OHLC, you can find the indicator on NinjaTrader. It's native to it. We got a potential monster here. A potential monster. But we'll see. We get a lot of retracements today, so I wouldn't be surprised if we get kicked out of this trade. Why do I still have runners? I still don't know. Why do I even try with runners? Why am I still trying with runners today? Can anyone answer me that question? Can anyone answer that question for me? Why am I still trying runners today? None of them are working. We're literally getting 0 runners that work today. Jeez. Pandas can dream, though. Pandas can certainly dream.
Target filled.
That is how you do it. That is how you do it. Nothing like making $10,000 today that I can withdraw today, pandas. I don't think you guys realize the power of TPT. Like, I can withdraw this today. Like, I can withdraw this tonight, and I'll get the money in my account by tomorrow. The only thing I'm regretting is why did I come out so early on that trade? That's the only thing I'm regretting. Why did I come out so early? Goodness gracious. Wow, what a move back down. Big up, big down. So sick. So sick. I mean, I'll take it though, pandas. I mean, I'm happy with my profits here. $2,500 times 4, $10,000 today. I'm literally gonna be able to withdraw $2,000 today for each account, 8K, and I will still have enough money to keep withdrawing the day after that. That's the power of TPT. That's the power of having no consistency rules. I can make as much money as I want today. Like, I don't have a 30% consistency rule to worry about. Literally make as much money as I want today. It's just, this move is incredible. Incredible move back down. I wish I held, but I'm happy with my gains, and I'm just happy with my gains. Whatever. Like, I'm not gonna complain. I think I've made plenty today. It's just a beautiful trade. Beautiful trade in my opinion, pandas. Really beautiful trade. Whew. It's that easy, pandas. It's that simple. It all started with this failed trap. Coming back down. I mean, my main position, I made more than 10 points, which is great. But it's the runner. It's the runners that really did it for me. Jeez Louise. 6 contracts. Yeah. Yeah, amazing. Sick. So sick. I don't mind making $10,000 today. I don't mind. Man, I don't mind making 10K today. I really don't mind it, you know. I don't mind. It's all good. I'm happy with my $10,000. I don't know. Should I look for more? One more trade, pandas. One more trade. Second just short here. Is that insane? Is that insane? Yeah, it's insane. Big down, big up. Let's look for a fail second just short here. We'll call it a day. Good signal bar to go short here, actually. We'll call it a day here. One last trade. We'll take the hit. If we lose, we lose. Big down, big up. I'm looking for a reversal anywhere now at this point. Wow, we're in this trade. So incredible. That actually triggers. Fail second just short. Let's look for it. We'll just keep trading until we lose. How about that? Okay, this trap might fail. This trap may fail here. Yeah, what was I thinking?
2,500.
What was I thinking? Trying to go short into that massive downtrend. But you know what? I'll try. We'll take the small hit. Close. And I thought it was a trade worth it. The risk is not too bad. It's a good setup, right, to take the trap, right? Because you got a nice strong bull bar. I don't know. We're still in the trade. Let's see here. I could skunk it. I feel like I'm just gonna lose it though. I feel like I'm just gonna lose this trade. Yeah, always in short now. Always in short trading. Okay, got a decent push up. Came up break here. Alright, all good. Pandas, thanks for joining. Have an amazing rest of your day. Tomorrow we have news. Don't forget. The news tomorrow is not as nearly as big as today's news. News tomorrow is 8:30 a.m. You got the core retail sales and 10 a.m. prelim, U of M. So, just mark your calendars. Make sure you know that we'll be streaming tomorrow at 10 a.m. So we'll see that the volatility in the news. I probably won't do much, but we'll see. But pandas, with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. Hope you guys made some bamboo. I know I'm happy with today's results. We're up 24.95 and absolutely killing it. Absolutely killing it. I love it because it's all TPT. You know that means you can withdraw this right away. That's the best part, pandas. I could withdraw this today and it ends up in my bank account tomorrow. Like literally tomorrow morning, it'll be in my bank account. It's amazing. It's the best payout system that I've seen. Smoothest. Yeah.
2,500 tick track.
And the best part is no consistency rule. Right? We got some nice bamboo for the weekend. I'll take it. Bands, with that being said, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. As always, happy trading. Bye.